In this video, we will explore the complete workflow of the MyAce Service customer app and its integration with the ERP system. We will also see how a complaint raised through the customer app is automatically reflected in the ERP. If you are a first-time user, you need to register on the MyAce Service app. Click on the Register button and enter the required details. Once your registration is complete, click Login. Enter your registered email ID or mobile number, followed by your password, and click Sign In. After logging in, you will be redirected to the Services home screen. Click on Services to view all your recent service calls. Here, you can see the ticket number, building name, unit name, registration date, ticket severity, and current status. Closed tickets indicate that the service has been completed, while open tickets represent active service requests. The dashboard also displays important service information, including total open calls, last 1 year calls, total active contracts, total units, next service due date, next renewal date. Now let's see how to register a new complaint. Click on Contact Us. If required, you can directly contact the service team using the Call Now option. To register a complaint, click Register Complaint. Select the building unit for which you want to raise the complaint. Choose the appropriate severity level, such as man-trapped, critical, high, or medium. Enter the complaint description and click Register. Your complaint is now successfully registered. Now let's switch to the ERP side and see how this complaint is reflected in the system. Navigate to the Call Center module. On the dashboard, you will receive a notification indicating that a new ticket has been registered through the MyAce Service app. The notification displays the ticket number, job type, event details, and the current ticket status. Click on the ticket number to open the ticket details. Under the Registration tab, you can view registration source as MyAce Service app. The operator message clearly indicates that the complaint was registered through the mobile application. Next, open the Assignment tab. As soon as the complaint is registered, the ERP automatically assigns the ticket to the nearest available technician based on the configured service route. Here, you can view the assigned technician's name, along with the assignment date and time. Under the Analysis tab, once the technician starts working through the Smart Technician app, all service updates are recorded here. You can view the breakdown analysis, solution details, technician feedback, required spare parts, remarks, and the current ticket status. Under the Attachments tab, you can view all uploaded media files, including photos, videos, and supporting documents captured by the technician through the Smart Technician app. The Callback section displays the last 5 service calls related to that particular unit. Once the service is completed, customer feedback and ratings are also available within the ticket. Now let's return to the MyAce Service app and see how the customer can track the complaint. Under the call log, you can view the service history of the selected unit. You can also apply date filters to review previous service activities. Click View Status to track the complete progress of the complaint. This allows customers to track every stage of the service request in real time. The Unit History section displays previous maintenance records, service history, and any parts replaced for that unit. Using the Contact Us option, customers can directly call the service team by clicking Call Now. The app also includes a Customer KYC section where customers can view and upload mandatory documents such as GST certificate, bank details, PAN card, and other required documents. From the Profile section, customers can update their personal information. Customers can also change their password whenever required. This completes the workflow of the MyAce Service customer app integrated with the ERP system. The application enables customers to register complaints, monitor service requests, track ticket status in real time,